What's up, guys? Welcome to OK Cooks. On today's episode, we're cooking up dessert dias. What dessert dias we cooking up, Alex?
Well, we're cooking up a s'mores dia, and we've got a little tasty surprise for later.
Mystery dia. Let's get cooking. Ingredients for... You're... All right.
I'm not ready. All right, here we go.
All right, the ingredients for a s'mores dia is pretty straightforward, wouldn't you say, Alex?
I would.
First thing we need to do is smash them graham crackers.
I would. Then we're gonna chop up the chocolate.
And those mallows, we ain't gonna do nothing. For the s'mores dia, we're gonna need a classic large flour tortilla. We need to do something to it. What are we gonna do to this? We're gonna butter it and we're gonna salt it.
Are you just warming the butter up?
That's enough butter.
Okay.
You like salt?
I like salt.
Living that salt life. Perfect. Let's get this dia down.
Ooh, worth it.
Mallows are like the cheese. They're gonna melt really nice. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be a good time. Oh yeah. That's hot chocolate. You ever put something hot in your mouth and regret it? Oh, I just did. Oh, look at those mallows coming out. Oh, get out of there. This is what you don't put in your mouth.
Don't put that in your mouth.
It's probably blazing hot.
Give it a taste.
No way.
Tell us where this idea came from.
3 years ago, I felt inspired. I woke up. I wanted to feel like I was camping, but I also wanted to feel like I was in my house eating a quesadilla. That's why. It's time to take it off. All right, we got the dia off the pan. Let's cut it, Alex.
Get in there, man.
You know what time it is?
Time to eat it.
Time to taste it. Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh. That hit of salt on the outside?
Dude, that salt was good. You get that salt first.
Mm-hmm.
Then you get a hit of that chocolate.
Yeah.
Then you get that mallow.
Mm-hmm.
And then that graham finishes it off real nice.
A little bit of that honey flavor from the graham cracker. Yeah, this is good.
I love a dessert dia. You know, the dia will never be held back.
I don't think so.
It's not a dinner-only item. It's not a breakfast-only item. You can make it a dessert item. That's what we did.
I don't know if I would want a dia for dinner followed up with a dia for dessert, though.
I would do a dia for every meal. Dia for breakfast, dia for lunch, dia for dinner, dia for dessert. Oh, wow, I just got a big pocket of mallow.
Shake it down.
Malbon.
What do you say we get started on the mystery dia?
Is it time for dia 2?
It's time.
All right, time for dia number 2. That dia is going to be the American standard apple pie. But wait a minute. Now would be a great time to remind you, if you haven't subscribed, would now be a good time?
Mm-hmm. You should do it.
Back to our dia.
Hey, welcome back.
Okay, so for this second dia, it's going to be pretty simple. Alex, there's going to be how many ingredients?
2.
What are those going to be?
Icing.
From who?
From good old Betty. Betty Crocker.
Hey, Betty, thanks for the icing. Slide into my DMs.
Say?
That number 2 ingredient, apple pie.
Obviously.
I would.
So we're not going to need the whole apple pie for one dia. Each dia is going to take about a half of a mini apple pie. So let's go ahead and just get the first half out.
Let's do it.
Really gentle with it. Really gentle with it. All right, now that we've got that out, let's just give it a delicate chop because we're going to want to be able to just sprinkle it within the dia.
Okay.
You got it from here?
I think I got it. it look good?
It looks perfect. I'm just eating a little bit of the apple pie. I couldn't resist myself.
Man, you made a mess.
I know. I mean, I was just collateral damage. I was just there for it. I was there for the show. Let's go ahead and get this buttered tortilla down. We'll get it right in the pan. No salt in this dessert-dilla. So let's go ahead and start with a little bit of that Betty. Delicately just put it right in there. Then let's go ahead and finish off a little bit more of this. All right, that dilla's ready. Let's take it off. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, that's a beautiful dilla.
Agree.
Should we cut it and see what's going on inside?
Let's check it out.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh boy.
Look at that.
You know what time it is?
Time to eat it?
Time to taste it. Let's do this.
Going in.
Wow, look at that.
Oh.
Now this, it's a heavy boy
Yeah.
compared to the s'mores dilla.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Worth it.
Oh my god.
Oh, dude. So much better than the s'mores dilla.
This
Wow.
this thick boy rolled up to the playground
Oh.
and took s'mores
Look at
dilla to the ropes.
Oh, God. It's so drippy.
The taste,
Oh, yeah.
when it hits your lips,
This is what a McDonald's apple pie should taste like. The icing is where it's at.
the apple, the crust, the apple pie crust in there. Dude, this is so good. Oh. Man down. Man down.
Wow.
Dude, it's all over me. Don't move. It's like broken glass. Oh god, my hammy.
Do you need a little extra?
Hit me. Is something on my face?
Nope.
Alright, you guys. 2 dessert dillas down.
We had the s'mores dilla, the apple pie dilla.
Which one was better? 100%. I mean, I love the salt and the chocolate of the s'mores dilla, but apple pie just, it delivered on a different level.
Agree.
Something about the icing with the pie crust and just the ooey gooey. If you guys liked what you saw here today, scroll down, hit the thumbs up, leave us a comment.
Yeah.
Let us know what dessert dillas you want us to make next time. Let's get Hey man, you ever getting that paranormal activity?